Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to use less data on IMO app. First of all, open your IMO. Here you can see a person icon on the top left corner. Tap on it. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on the settings option. Choose the storage and data option and tap on it. Here you can see photo upload quality. Tap on the photo upload quality and choose the data saver option. By choosing data saver, you can use less data photo uploading in IMO app. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.